does she know 7/10 and 70/100 are equal?
Because
Tracking Brock right away.
they take up the same amount.
Excellent. I know they're equivalent because they take up the same amount of space. So if I have 7/10, so now we can look at on my board, I have 7/10. I've got 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10. In order for them to take up the same amount of space, I would need 70/100s. And now my denominators are equivalent, and now I can compare them accurately. Tajay, keep going with your strategy.
Then I wrote a comparison statement.
You got it.
I said the students ate the most cake.
And then we said the student ate the most cake. How do we know that 72/100 is greater than 70/100? Jemani, how do we know that 72/100 is greater than 70/100? Francis is tracking, Xavier is tracking, Star.
So this one's 72/100, this one's 70/100. How do we know this one's more? Yeah, we were trying to figure out which cake had more all along, right? That's what we were trying to do. Who can tell me how do they know 72/100 is more than 70/100? Steven, how do you know 72/100 is more than 70/100?
Because it's 72 and 70.
Yeah, we have 72 and 70, and the denominators are the same. So 72/100 is more than 70/100. So now that we've done this, we used to have 72 and 7/10. Now we have 72 and 70/100. How did changing 7/10 to 70/100 help her? How did that help her? Oh, I heard some oohs, but I need some more oohs. Get your brains on. Yeah. Turn and tell your partner. How did it help her to change that to 70/100? Go. How did it make it easier to compare these? Okay. And how do I, and I'm but how is it easier to tell when we have 70/100s and 72/100s? Why is that easier? Yeah, and you can just see it, right? You can see them. How do they are? All right, track me in 3, 2. I'm gonna snap my own keyboard there. 1 and 0. If you said, this is what I heard a few people saying. If you said it, I should see a B2 right away. Your pencil should not be in your hand because you're gonna have to give me a B2. I heard people saying that when we had it in tenths, it was hard to see which one was bigger. We didn't know. But when we put it in hundredths, they had the same unit, and we could just think, just like Steven said, 72 is more than 70. We could just look at the numerator then. I see lots of B2s because I heard a lot of people saying that, and then we could use the greater gator. Good thinking. When we change and when we convert to an equivalent fraction so that the unit's the same, so the denominator's the same, makes them easier to compare. Okay? All right, track Miss Harris. Oh, we're not pulling.
I know. That was good. It was good that we did this.
All right, perfect.
Yeah. All right, flip over to your independent practice. Flip over to your independent practice. Quick star check. Show me how many stars you have. If you have more than double digits, you can show me in this like weird.
Steven,
way.
you have 3. You have 3.
Good, excellent. Hands down. Remember that goal is to get at least 5 stars. So if you are above 5, good job, you. And I'm loving that I'm seeing people encourage their teammates as well. What I'm looking for while you're doing your independent practice, I'm looking for those of us who are staying focused the entire 10 minutes, sitting up straight and tall in your chair, show your best self, move that pencil the entire time. You're gonna have 10 minutes. I want you to do the entire first page. That means all 4 of those problems and that word problem. Make sure the bigger fraction is circled. Write your comparison statement. write your answer in a sentence form for your word problem. Put your pencil in your hand. You've got 10 minutes to show all that brilliance. Get ready, get set, go. Alright, Saber's pencil is moving right away. Kia's sitting up straight and tall. Perfect. Barack has already converted that first fraction. Kia has that bigger fraction circled. I see Josiah carefully reading. Nice. Jay has that bigger fraction circled and that statement, that comparison statement, greater Gator eats the bigger one.